In this video, I'll show you how you can use Sora 2 without needing any invite codes. Right now, the main challenge with Sora 2 is that it is primarily released only in the US and Canada, and even if you are located there, you often still need an invite code to gain access. While using a VPN is an option, I will show you how to use Sora 2 immediately without any waitlist or invite code. For this, we'll be using an AI platform called OpenArt. This platform is essentially a hub that allows you to use multiple AI generation models for images and videos all in one place. And crucially, it has integrated the Sora feature. To get started, all you need to do is click on the first link I have given in the description, which will take you straight to the OpenArt official website. After you create a free account using this link, you will initially receive 40 trial credits. However, these are not quite enough to generate a video using Sora on OpenArt. To gain more credits without paying, you can follow them on their social media platforms. By clicking the icon next to your credits, you will see instructions to join their social media platforms, through which you can receive an extra 300 credits, bringing your final credit balance up to 340 credits, all gained without paying anything. These credits are more than enough to test out and generate a video using Sora. If you face any problem in claiming these free credits, I've created a detailed video explaining every step, and I will link that video in the description as well. Once you have secured your 340 credits, you need to navigate to the video section right over here. Since we want to convert text to video, select the text to video option. You will be taken to the generation dashboard where you can select your model. Click on the model dropdown and you will see multiple video models you can use, including Sora 2, which has been newly released. This consolidated access is a huge advantage as it saves you the hassle of managing separate subscriptions for each video generation tool. Select the Sora 2 model. Below the model selection, you have the option to enter the prompt for the video you want to generate. I will give it a prompt like, generate a video of cranes flying over the Titanic ship in the sea. Below the prompt, you have an option to auto-enhance your prompt. Enabling this will consume 1 credit, but it makes the final result more detailed. Next, you have model settings, Fast and Pro. The Pro model will be charged at almost 600 credits, so I do not recommend selecting that if you are on the free plan, as it will quickly consume your limited credits. We will select Fast and stick with the default settings. I will keep the duration set to 4 seconds, as increasing the duration increases the credit cost, and I will choose the vertical aspect ratio. Once everything is set up, simply click the Create option. As you can see, our video generation has started and a timer is now showing. We will wait until the generation process is completed. All right, our video has been generated. I will open the video and play it now. As you can see, the video looks great, and you have several options on the right side. You can click the download icon to save the video to your PC. You also get generation details below, which shows the original prompt, the enhanced prompt that the AI used to generate the video, and the settings used for resolution and quality. You also have a video upscale option available right here. Clicking on it will redirect you to another page where you can select a higher resolution and increase the frames per second. However, you must always remember that any action you perform on OpenArt, including upscaling, will consume credits. Since we are on the free plan, we have limited credits, but if you want to increase the number of credits, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. If you click on the upgrade option, you can see the monthly plans. The essential plan costs $14 per month for 4,000 credits, the advanced costs $29 per month for 12,000 credits, and the infinite costs $56 per month for 24,000 credits. If you select the annual plan, you get a massive 50% off on all monthly prices. For example, the essential plan drops from $14 to $7, and the advanced plan drops from $29 to $14.50. This is a great limited-time deal that you can grab by signing up on OpenArt through the link in the description. I recommend going with the annual plan. Once you click on subscribe, you will be taken to a Stripe checkout page. You can complete your payment and start using all the video generation models, including Sora 2, inside OpenArt. So, that was all. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on OpenArt, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.